Hello and welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are learning to create the image gallery with hover effects in PowerPoint. Let's start by adding a rounded rectangle. And keep the height and width of the rectangle 2.4 inches. Now we will fill the rectangle with gradients. I am using shades of brown here. Remove the outline for a cleaner look. Reduce the roundness to refine the corners. Duplicate the rectangle by pressing Ctrl+D. Select the shapes and distribute them horizontally. With these shapes still selected, duplicate them again with Ctrl+D to create your second row. Now, insert an image and crop the image into a rounded rectangle. Place it above the rectangle. Then insert the remaining images. Next, let's add the image's name. Bring the image to the front. Do the same with the remaining. Duplicate the slides and make 8 duplicates. Open the selection pane. Drag the rectangle downward and select the text box from the selection pane. Drag the text box downward too. Repeat the same with the remaining. Now move to the first slide. Select the rectangle and select the action button from the insert tab. Select the mouse over, then slide. Select the slide you want to hyperlink to. You can preview at this site. Repeat the process. Move to the second slide, then duplicate the image. And drag the image. Make the image blur and send it to back. Finally, select all the slides and apply the morph transition. Decrease the duration to 0.75 seconds. Press F5 to view the final result.